Just 2 months ago in December, the San Diego County District Attorney raided the homes of 7 individuals affiliated with Southwestern College and the Sweetwater Union High School District as a continuation of 2 separate investigations. The first investigation dealt with members of Southwestern's previous staff, including former Vice President of Business and Financial Affairs Nicholas Alioto and former Director of Facilities John Wilson. Wilson is facing allegations of illegally influencing construction bids on the Southwestern Governing Board. The second investigation includes former and current members of the Sweetwater School Board. Former Superintendent Jesus Gondara, former trustee Greg Sandoval, and current trustees Arlie Ricasa and Pearl Quinonias have been charged with multiple felonies and misdemeanors for accepting expensive gifts from construction firms doing business with the school. Ricasa is on paid administrative leave from her position as Director of Health and Student Services at Southwestern College. She has been charged for alleged illegal actions involving Sweetwater contracts through Proposition O, but not with any of Southwestern's Proposition R contracts. Even though both investigations have certain players in common and share a similar time frame, they deal with 2 separate public funds, Southwestern's Proposition R and Sweetwater's Proposition O. The Sweetwater trustees and former Southwestern staff members corrupted the bid process for the Prop R and Prop O funds by indulging in the pay-to-play culture created by certain construction firms. Humberto Peraza, Vice President of the Southwestern College Governing Board, said it is important that the community understand that those under investigation are no longer working at the college. Peraza said Sweetwater could face greater challenges because those under investigation are still sitting on their board. All 4 of Sweetwater's current and former trustees pleaded not guilty after their arraignment, as did Seville Construction Executive Henry Amagable. No trial date has been set.